I'm Leslie. I'm just wrapping up my week here at Sayulita Wellness Center. I've been on antidepressants for the better part of 20 years, and I felt like I'd been living under a blanket. And stuffing emotions down doesn't do you any good. You have to let that stuff out. So that's one thing that I was able to do here, was really release a lot of that inner struggle and be free from it. It really showed me that everything is love. Every atom in this atmosphere, every person, everything that we're given is just out of love, and that's what's really important. It's not all the stuff. It's not all of the accomplishments. It's loving one another and appreciating this environment. Highly recommend this retreat. Andrew and Keely and Charlie and Nirvana and all of the facilitators, everybody I've met, all of the participants were wonderful. I've got absolute inner tribe for life. And I'm just really grateful. So thanks.